Okay, here is a review on my Sanborn 2 horsepower 40 psi Megaforce air compressor. I bought this in Sam's Club in 1984, brand new. It's a little dirty, but it still works like a champ. I needed to give it a good cleaning. This gauge broke off probably 10 years ago and I just never got around to replacing it. And about 5 or 6 years ago, this little breaker switch broke, so I had to rig it up with some fuses there. But anyway, this thing is a workhorse. I'm not kidding you. It had the brake-in oil in it from '84, and I didn't even change the oil till I think 2015. I used this at my shop for years, installing sunroofs and air tools and stuff for an accessory shop. But as you can see, it still fires right up. Seems to run super smooth. And I've really been impressed with this. I think I paid $270 for it in 1984. Definitely got my money's worth out of it.